Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're going to look at some more sounds in British English. For example, today we're looking at these two sounds. We're looking at this one, ear, ear, and this one, air, air. Now you've seen this chart before. Above the halfway line, they are all vowel sounds. Underneath the line, they are all consonant sounds. So today we're going to look at vowel sounds. On this side, they're all single vowels, just one sound. For example, e, I, u. Just one sound. On this side, there are two sounds. Ear, a, air, I. Two sounds together. Today we're looking at these two in particular. Ear, air, ear, ear, air, air, ear, ear, air, hair. Oh, I haven't got much hair. Never mind. Ear, air. The two sounds in British English. Have a look at my board. Okay, here are our words. Hair, what grows on your head. Here, this place. Bear, wild animal. Beer, what you drink. Air, what you breathe. Ear, you have two, one on either side of your head. Pear, the fruit, apple, pear. Pier, the structure that goes out into the sea from the beach, a pier. Rare, not very common. Rear, the bit behind. Dare, take risk. Dear, when you write a letter, Dear Geoff. Chair, what you sit on. Cheer, at a football match, you yay cheer. Fare, the price you pay when you go on the bus or the train. Fear, when you are frightened of something. Stare, look at someone intently without blinking. Steer, you steer your car when you drive. You turn left or right. And rarely, not very often. Really, I really like Uncle Geoff's lessons. You like them very much. Okay, let's look at the words again. Repeat after me. Hair, hair. Here, here. Bear, bear. Beer, beer. Air, air. Ear, ear. Pear, pear. Peer, peer. Rare, rear. And the last ones, dare, dare. Dear, dear. Chair, chair. Cheer, cheer. Fair, fair. Fear, fear. Stare, stare. Steer, steer. Rarely, rarely. Really, really. Some of these words can be spelt differently but still have the same sound. For example, this one, here, you can also hear a sound. You use your ear to hear. Have a look at this, pear, the fruit, but you can also have pear, two of something, pair. Over here, deer. You can also have the animal that lives in the forest. Deer. Same sound, different spelling. And on this word, fair. She has fair hair. Not dark, not light, but fair. She has fair hair. And this word, stare. Stair. What you climb to get from one level to another. You climb the stairs. Same sound, different spelling. Isn't English wonderful? So there we are, some sounds of British English. Ear, air. English pronunciation, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell all your friends. And we'll see you all again next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.